this what's coming right at me? Wait till you see the sky light up on this show. Oh, baby. There's a good one brewing now. Did you see it? That was a quick flash. But it's a coming. And it's a coming with a fury. Mother Nature at her finest. Wow. Is she gonna dance right now for us or what? Look at this. That's Pittsburgh where it's clear over there. This is what's coming at us right here. Ooh, a sonic boom. You heard that? I've never heard lightning do that before. That can't be a good thing. Boy, the wind's starting to pick up. Come on. This is a crazy storm. These are kind of get real ugly. Definitely a wall rain coming right here. It's traveling like northeast, coming from the south. Look at it getting darker. That boom, that was crazy, right? I never heard that before. Well, I saw it with my eyes, but the camera didn't pick it up. The lightning came from right in that area. This is gonna be cool. This is gonna be cool. I want to get like one major lightning bolt on video. Starting to come. There's that wall of water right there. Getting closer. Now don't be shy. You can get a little closer. Come on. Give me one. Come on. It's hidden behind the rain. The one earlier today was crazy. That was the coolest. Oh, I think I got that. Righteously close. Actually, dangerously close. Here comes the big raindrops. Give me another one quickly. In my view, though, birds flying around. I think I got that one. Right over there. Right over on the next hill. Crap. Let me go inside. Open the garage door. Come on, give me a good one, right in the middle of the camera. Storming, here we go. Come on, hit me with one more. Pouring down rain. I'll have to shut you here in a minute. Well, there's some hard rain coming. Holy moly, is it going to be pouring here in a minute? I'm sure that rain's overpowering the noise, but it's going to freaking pour over there. It's coming right there. That is pouring. Starting to not be able to see the house. You can barely see it on camera now, the trees back there. Alright guys, have a great night. Be safe out there if you get one of these crazy storms. This is Steeler Stacker signing off, and the weather report of torrential downpour coming at me. Look at that. Crazy hard rain out there on that hillside. Almost here. Be safe.